Welcome back. I will walk through SnowSms, a platform that turns an Android phone into a bulk SMS and MMS system. I will show you how to set up your account, connect your phone, send your first message, and use each feature. Most SMS platforms charge per message, make you send from their numbers, and can still land in spam. SnowSms is different. You install an app on a phone you own, insert a SIM, and that phone becomes your own private SMS and MMS gateway. Your number, your data, no per message markup. First, create an account. Go to snowsms.com and click Get Started. Enter your name, email, and a password, then confirm. No credit card is required, and your account is created. Now log in with the email and password you just set. You arrive at the dashboard, the main control panel. At the top, you see campaign counts, queued, processing, and completed. Below that, message counts, received, pending, queued, processed, sent, delivered, and failed. This screen shows the real status of your sending. Before sending, you must connect a phone, because the phone does the sending. Open the Devices page and click Add Device. 5 steps appear. Step 1. Click Download to get the latest Android app. It is best to download it directly onto the phone you will use. Step 2. Open the downloaded APK file to install it. Android may ask to allow installing from this source, because the app is not from the Play Store. Tap Allow from this source, then continue. Step 3. If you see a message that says App Blocked to protect your device, that is a normal security screen. Use the Unblock button on the page, follow the short guide to allow the app, then finish installing. Step 4. Open the app. It will ask for several permissions. Tap Allow or Yes on every prompt, because the app needs them to read and send messages. A login window appears. Tap Sign in using QR code and scan the QR code shown on the Add Device page on your computer. Step 5. Once it scans, the phone is linked. Return to the Devices page, and your phone appears with an online status, connected and ready. Repeat the steps to add more phones. Next, open the SIM cards page. SnowSms detects the SIM cards in your phone automatically. Name each one and set a daily sending limit. This keeps your volume within what a carrier expects, which lowers the risk of being flagged. With more than one SIM or phone, you can spread sending across all of them. Now send a message. Open the Send page. Choose the device and SIM to send from. Type a phone number or choose a saved contact or list. Write your message or select a saved template. If your contacts have fields such as first name, include them to personalize each message. Before sending to others, send one to your own number as a test, so you see exactly how it arrives. Then click Send. The message passes to your phone, and the phone sends it over the normal mobile network. Open the Messages page to see whether each message was sent, delivered, or failed. Final delivery depends on the carriers, so no system can guarantee 100%. Now the rest of the menu. Contact Lists holds your audience. Add people manually or import a CSV with custom fields like first name. Only add people who agreed to hear from you. Blacklist holds any number you must never message, and the system skips it on every send. Templates let you write a message once and reuse it. Chat shows replies, so you can answer in a two-way conversation. Campaigns send to many people at once. Pick a list, a message, and a schedule with a time window, and the system paces and resumes the send on its own. Messages is your full history, where you can filter, export, and review every result. A few more tools. Call Log records calls on your SIMs. Sending Servers lets you add outside gateways like Twilio or Text Local. Sender IDs manages the number you send from. Autoresponder replies automatically to keywords, so a text such as ours is answered at once. The system also has an API and webhooks. With the SnowSms API, you can connect it to tools you already use. Send text from your Go high-level funnels, send order and shipping alerts from your WooCommerce store, or connect another CRM. When a reply arrives, a webhook notifies your system in real time. It works with Go high-level, Make, and N8N. The account section holds subscribe, subscriptions, and payments for plan and billing. One last point. SnowSms is 2 systems in one. The Android system you just saw and a full SMS API system for sending at scale. You choose what fits. If you use the API system, we also provide 10 DLC registration and managed campaign services, so your traffic is registered and compliant. Remember, bulk texting is a responsibility. Get consent, honor every opt-out, follow your local rules, and note that carrier charges and limits apply. That is the full walkthrough. Go to SnowSms.com, create your account, connect your phone, and send your first message. Goodbye.